What if I told you there's a simple, dirt cheap drink sitting in your kitchen right now that could help support your pancreas, balance your blood sugar, and improve your digestion in just a few days? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how to make it, and how to use it safely for real results. Let's start with something important. Your pancreas is one of the most underrated organs in your body. You don't see it, you don't feel it working, but every single day, it's helping control your blood sugar, digest your food, and keep your energy stable. When your pancreas is not functioning well, you may start noticing signs like fatigue, sugar cravings, bloating, weight gain, or even prediabetes and diabetes. And here's the problem. Most people ignore these signs until things get serious. Now here's the good news. Supporting your pancreas doesn't always require expensive supplements or medications. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are simple, natural, and already available in your kitchen. Today we're talking about one of the cheapest and most overlooked drinks that may help support pancreatic function: fenugreek water. Yes, fenugreek seeds, tiny, inexpensive, and incredibly powerful. But before you jump to conclusions, let me be very clear. This is not a miracle cure. It's a supportive habit that, when combined with a healthy lifestyle, can help your body function better, and I'll show you exactly how. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share the biggest mistakes people make with this drink and how to avoid them. Let's break it down. First, what exactly does the pancreas do, and why should you care? Your pancreas has two main jobs. One, it produces digestive enzymes that help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Two, it produces hormones like insulin that regulate your blood sugar levels. When your pancreas is under stress, due to poor diet, high sugar intake, or lack of activity, it can struggle to keep up. This can lead to insulin resistance, unstable energy, and long-term health issues. Think of your pancreas like a hardworking factory. If you overload it with junk food and sugar every day, eventually it starts slowing down. Now imagine giving that factory better tools and a cleaner environment. That's where simple, natural remedies like fenugreek water come in. So what makes fenugreek so special? Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use insulin more effectively, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. They also slow down the absorption of carbohydrates in your digestive system. This prevents sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar, which is crucial for pancreatic health. In simple terms, fenugreek gives your pancreas a bit of a break. Now let's talk about how to prepare this drink properly. Take 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and soak them in a glass of water overnight. That's it. In the morning, drink the water on an empty stomach. You can also chew the soaked seeds if you're comfortable, but even just the water is beneficial. It's simple, cheap, and takes less than a minute to prepare. But here's the key: consistency. You won't see results if you try it once or twice. Give it at least 7 days of consistent use. Many people report feeling lighter digestion, better energy, and fewer sugar cravings within that time. Now let's go deeper into how this drink supports your body step by step. First, it helps regulate blood sugar. When you drink fenugreek water, the soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. Second, it supports digestion. Better digestion means less stress on your pancreas because your body can break down food more efficiently. Third, it may reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden reasons behind poor pancreatic function. Fenugreek contains compounds that may help calm that inflammation. Fourth, it helps control appetite. When your blood sugar is stable, you feel less hungry and less likely to crave unhealthy snacks. Now, let's make this practical. If you're someone who wakes up tired, craves sugar throughout the day, or feels bloated after meals, this simple drink could be a great addition to your routine. But remember, it works best when combined with a few lifestyle changes. Let's talk about those. Start with your diet. Reduce processed sugar as much as possible. This is the biggest enemy of your pancreas. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal tea, or natural options. Add more whole foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These support your body without overloading your system. Next, move your body. Even a 20-minute walk daily can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce stress on your pancreas. Sleep is another major factor. Poor sleep disrupts your hormones and increases blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 7 hours of quality sleep every night. And finally, manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect your pancreas and blood sugar control. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even quiet time can make a difference. Now let's talk about common mistakes people make with fenugreek water. Mistake number 1, using too much. More is not better. Stick to 1 teaspoon. Taking too much can cause digestive discomfort. Mistake number 2, expecting instant results. This is not a magic drink. It's a supportive habit. Give your body time to respond. Mistake number 3, ignoring diet. If you drink fenugreek water but continue eating high sugar, processed foods, you won't see much benefit. Mistake number 4, not being consistent. Skipping days reduces effectiveness. Make it part of your morning routine. Mistake number 5, not checking with a doctor if you have medical conditions. If you are diabetic or taking medication, always consult a healthcare professional before making changes. Now let's address an important question. Can this drink actually restore pancreatic function in 7 days? Here's the honest answer. It can support your pancreas and improve how your body responds, but it will not completely reverse serious conditions in just 7 days. Anyone promising that is exaggerating. However, what you can expect is improvement. Better digestion, more stable energy, and fewer sugar crashes. And sometimes those small changes are the beginning of something much bigger. Now imagine this. You wake up feeling lighter, you don't crave sugar all day, your energy stays stable, you feel more in control of your health. That's the real goal, not quick fixes, but sustainable habits. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people, because awareness is the first step to change. Before we wrap up, I want you to take a moment and think, what's one small change you can start today? Maybe it's drinking fenugreek water every morning. Maybe it's cutting down sugary drinks. Maybe it's going for a short walk. Start small, but start now. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips explained in a way that actually makes sense. Also, comment below and let me know. Have you ever tried fenugreek before? I'd love to hear your experience. To sum it all up, your pancreas plays a vital role in your health. Supporting it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the simplest habits, like a glass of fenugreek water, can make a real difference when done consistently. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Now let's go even deeper, because understanding why this works will help you stay consistent, and consistency is where the real results happen. Think about your daily routine for a second. Most people wake up and immediately reach for tea, coffee, or even something sugary. What happens next? A quick spike in energy, followed by a crash. That crash leads to more cravings, more sugar, and more stress on your pancreas. But when you start your day with something like fenugreek water, you're doing the exact opposite. You're giving your body a calm, balanced start. No sudden spikes, no overload, just steady support. And that changes everything, because when your morning starts right, your entire day follows that pattern. Now let's talk about timing, because this is something most people overlook. The best time to drink fenugreek water is early in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because your body absorbs nutrients better at that time, and your digestive system is not busy processing other foods. After drinking it, wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This gives your body enough time to absorb the beneficial compounds and start working on balancing your system. Now here's another powerful tip. Pair this drink with a protein-rich breakfast. Instead of starting your day with sugary cereals or white bread, go for eggs, yogurt, oats, or nuts. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar even further and reduces cravings throughout the day. So now you have a powerful combination: fenugreek water plus a balanced breakfast. That's how you turn a simple habit into a real health strategy. Let's also talk about hydration, because it plays a bigger role than most people realize. Your pancreas and your entire body needs proper hydration to function efficiently. Dehydration can actually affect blood sugar levels and digestion. So don't just rely on one healthy drink in the morning. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. A simple rule: aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses daily, and more if you're active. Now, another question people often ask is, can you improve the taste of fenugreek water? Let's be honest, it has a slightly bitter taste. Not everyone enjoys it at first. If you find it hard to drink, you can add a few drops of lemon juice. This not only improves the taste, but also adds vitamin C, which supports your immune system. But avoid adding sugar or honey, especially if your goal is blood sugar control. Keep it simple. Keep it clean. Now let's talk about who should be careful with this drink. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications for blood sugar, you should always consult your doctor first. Fenugreek can interact with certain medications and may lower blood sugar levels further. Also, if you have allergies to legumes, you should avoid fenugreek or test it in small amounts first. Your safety always comes first. Now here's something really important that most videos don't tell you. Natural remedies work best when you track your progress. Don't just drink fenugreek water and hope for the best. Pay attention to your body. Notice your energy levels, your cravings, your digestion, even your mood. If possible, keep a simple journal for 7 days. Write down how you feel each day after starting this routine. This not only keeps you motivated, but also helps you see real changes, because sometimes the improvements are subtle at first, but they are there. Now let's talk about long-term use. Can you drink fenugreek water every day? Yes, but it's a good idea to take breaks. For example, you can use it for 2 to 3 weeks, then take a short break of a few days. This prevents your body from getting too used to it and keeps the benefits effective. Balance is always key. Also, remember this: no single drink can replace a healthy lifestyle. Fenugreek water is a tool, a helpful one, but it works best when combined with smart choices. So if you really want to support your pancreas, here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Start your morning with fenugreek water. Wait 20-30 minutes. Eat a balanced breakfast with protein and fiber. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods. Move your body. Even a short walk helps. Get enough sleep. Manage stress. That's it. Simple, practical, and effective. Now I want to address something very real. A lot of people feel overwhelmed when it comes to health. They think they need to change everything overnight. But that's not true. In fact, trying to do too much at once often leads to failure. Instead, focus on one habit at a time. Start with this drink, build consistency, then slowly improve other areas of your life. Because real health is not about perfection, it's about progress. And small steps, repeated daily, lead to big results over time. If you're still watching, that tells me you're serious about improving your health, and that's powerful. So here's what I want you to do next. Starting tomorrow morning, prepare your fenugreek water tonight. Make it easy for yourself. When you wake up, don't think, just drink it. Then go about your day as usual. Do this for 7 days, just 7 days, and observe the difference. You might notice better digestion, more stable energy, fewer cravings, and even a sense of control over your habits. And once you feel that difference, it becomes much easier to continue because now you're not just hoping, it's real. Before we close, let's quickly recap the key points. Your pancreas plays a vital role in blood sugar control and digestion. Poor lifestyle habits can put stress on it over time. Fenugreek water is a simple, affordable way to support your body. It helps with blood sugar balance, digestion, and appetite control. Consistency is more important than quantity, and most importantly, it works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to take control of your health one small step at a time? If yes, start today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it because sometimes the simplest information can change someone's life. Thanks again for watching. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.